With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
The question is given two identical blocks A and B. Each mass is 3 kilograms and are connected with help of ideal spring placed on smooth horizontal surface as shown in figure. Another identical block C is moving with the velocity V naught. This is equal to 0.6 meter per second. Collide with the A and stack to it. As a result, the motion of system takes place in some way. Based on the information, answer the following question. Here, after the collision of C and A, the combined body and block would be. So here, when as C collide with A and stack to it, so the combined mass move rightward to compress the spring, and hence B is move rightward due to spring force. So B accelerate and the combined mass decelerate. So the deformation in the spring is changing and the center of mass of the system continues to move rightwards. So with constant speed, while both the blocks oscillate about the center of mass of the system. So here we can write the velocity of combined mass just after collision. So here we can write the velocity of the combined mass just after collision is, so here we can write this is a mv naught is equal to 2 mv, and here velocity will come v is equal to v naught by 2, m to m cancel. Now here it is equal to 0.3 meter per second. Now here time period of with which block v and the combined mass oscillate about a center of mass could be computed by using the method of mass concept. So here we can write time period of block B and combined mass oscillate about center of mass. So here we can write T is equal to 2 pi. This is the could be computed by using reduced mass concept. So here this is a 2m by 3k is equal to pi 5 under root 10 second. Now the translation, here the total energy of the system is, we can write total energy of system is equal to 2 mv square by 2, and here it is equal to 7 joule. Now here the translation kinetic energy of the center of mass of system. So here translation kinetic energy of a center of mass system is translation kinetic energy of the center of a mass of a system. So that is ECM is equal to 3 mv square cm upon 2, and here it is equal to 0.8 joule. Now here we can, that means the remaining energy is oscillate between kinetic and potential energy during the motion of block. So the maximum compression in spring either can be used center of mass approach or energy approach. So here we are using second method. So here we can write oscillation energy is equal to maximum elastic potential energy. Here this is the maximum elastic potential energy. So here this is a 0.09 is equal to half kx m square. Now here this is equal to 3 under root 10 millimeters. So this is the solution. Now we can check the option here. After the collision C and A, the combined body and block would be here 3 under root 10 millimeters. So this means the third option is the right. This is a solution of this question, guys. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.